Make sure you watch this video till the end because I will be sharing with you a lot of secrets that I have learned of doing affiliate marketing for over 7 years. Well, who am I to even teach you affiliate marketing, right? Well, I have been doing affiliate marketing for over 7 years now and I have a portfolio of 11 plus websites. Apart from that, I also do paid consulting. I'm a speaker and a trainer. Now comes the big question. What is affiliate marketing? In affiliate marketing, three parties are involved. There's a merchant or an affiliate network. Let's consider it to be Amazon. Then there will be you as an affiliate, where you will be promoting the products of the merchant through a special affiliate link. So when someone purchases a product through your special affiliate link, you get a commission. That is, you make money. Now in my affiliate marketing playlist, I show you step by step on how to sign up to the affiliate network, how to generate your links, how to promote these links to thousands of people for free and then make money from your links. Almost all popular companies use affiliate marketing to drive customers, be it Amazon, Flipkart, Ola, Uber, Swiggy, Foodpanda, Zomato. Almost all popular companies are doing it. But the important question is, how affiliate marketing will help you? Well, the biggest benefit is definitely online earning on autopilot. Today, my websites are driving free traffic every month from Google and making me affiliate commission. So now let's talk about who can learn affiliate marketing. You don't need any special qualification. You don't need any technical background. All you need is one laptop or a computer and an internet connection. This is all you need. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you are making money from the comfort of your home. There is no age limit, no massive course fee, only your willingness to learn and your willingness to earn money online. I am friends with people who are making $100,000 per month to $300,000 per month from affiliate marketing. So now let's talk about what is the best way to learn affiliate marketing. Well, when I got started, there was no one to guide me. No one to tell me the best tips, tricks, tools or strategies that actually work. Well, lucky for you, I'll be teaching you and guiding you in every step. You need a guide, a person who has made the mistakes so that you don't repeat the mistake. So now let's talk about which affiliate network to focus on. There are thousands of affiliate networks in the market. I myself use 50 plus affiliate networks to make money from my affiliate websites. So which one should you choose? Well, there are more complicated ones like the ClickBank and the Commission Junction, where you need the knowledge of advanced digital marketing in order to make money. This is because the competition is just way too high. For beginners who are just starting out, the one I recommend is Amazon Associate. It's easy to learn and promote, and now I'll be showing you why you should be focusing only on Amazon.in. Amazon is the world's biggest e-commerce website. Amazon.com is driving more than 2.5 billion visitors per month. Amazon India or Amazon.in is driving more than 360 million people per month. The best part is that every experienced affiliate marketer is only targeting Amazon.com and the US market. But there is literally zero competition in Amazon India. So making money from Indian Amazon Associate account is 100 times easier than promoting in Amazon.com or the US market. Apart from this, there are many other reasons why you should join the Amazon affiliate network. Once you are promoting your Amazon affiliate links, the cookie period is 24 hours. So whatever the customer ends up purchasing in the next 24 hours, you will be getting the commission for that. The second good point is that you will be getting paid the affiliate commission for the entire cart. So let's say you refer someone to buy a t-shirt, but the person ends up buying a jeans, a cap and a t-shirt as well. So you will be getting the affiliate commission for the entire cart value and not just for the product that you recommended. This is the best part about the Amazon affiliate links. And since Amazon has so much data and optimization, majority of the people end up buying so many other products and not just the product that you recommend. You can see in the image on the screen that majority of the products that I sold were not the products that I was promoting, but the other products that people purchased when I referred them, and I still got the commission. The third benefit is the Amazon brand. Amazon is now one of the biggest e-commerce websites in India. They spend millions in advertising and now everyone knows about Amazon. So there is a trust in the consumers for Amazon. So the conversion rate of people buying on Amazon is very high. This also helps in getting more sales and hence making more affiliate commission. I'm getting a massive 3.5% conversion rate. So every 100 people I refer to Amazon, almost 3 to 4 people end up buying the products. So that's just amazing. So now let's talk about how can you make money from affiliate marketing. The easy answer is create a website and scale it. Don't worry, I won't just tell you this and end the video. In our next lesson of our affiliate marketing playlist, I will tell you how to select a profitable niche. In lesson 3, I show you step by step in how to create an Amazon affiliate website like a pro. I will be sharing all my strategies that I have learned in the last 7 years of building and scaling affiliate websites. So make sure you watch our complete playlist. I even created a comprehensive ebook on how to scale an Amazon affiliate website from $0 to $1,000 per month, and also how to scale it further to $10,000 per month. If you want this ebook, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment with "Yes, I want it" in the comment section below. Once we reach 1,000 likes, subscribers, and comments, I will make the link of this ebook public in the description section of this video. There are many benefits of starting and scaling an affiliate website. Just like I mentioned, the competition in India is very low. So if you watch our lessons and follow them to the heart, then I can guarantee that within few months you will be making money. You don't even have to work on your website when your article gets ranked on Google search results. It's free traffic month on month. Unlike other platforms that come and go, Google is not going anywhere. So you don't have to worry that Google will go out of fashion in few months. People will keep searching on Google. There are many other ways apart from affiliate links that you can make money from your affiliate website. You'll get sponsorship opportunities, brands will start emailing you. You'll also be making money from sponsored links, sponsored reviews. Like I am charging rupees 10,000 to 20,000 rupees for one sponsored review. And also in the end, let's say you decide you don't like the Amazon affiliate website and you want to sell it. Then the website sells for 30 times its monthly revenue. So let's say if you are making 10,000 rupees from your website on a monthly basis, you can sell it for 3 lakh rupees. Now I know that many of you will ask me in the comment section the other ways of doing affiliate marketing, like opening a YouTube channel or doing it through Instagram. So let's take each option one by one and share its pros and cons. So let's start with opening a YouTube channel. Yes, you can open a YouTube channel in any niche like many other YouTubers are doing. And they are also making good affiliate revenue. You can create a fashion-based channel and promote fashion-related products. You can also create a technology-based YouTube channel and promote products like Technical Guruji is doing. But the main point to stress is that YouTube is getting competitive. Already for all the popular categories, be it fashion, be it gardening, be it technology, already YouTubers are dominating that niche. It was easier a couple of years back when the competition was low and also because of the Reliance Jio wave. Now already in majority of the profitable niche, a channel is dominating. Now I'm not saying that you won't be able to do it. Yes, you can open a YouTube channel and you will be able to scale it. But it is extremely difficult. It will be difficult to scale, you'll have to be patient, you'll also have to show your face, and you'll also have to invest in expensive equipments. I will be creating a YouTube marketing course very soon on this channel, so make sure you subscribe to get notified about that. But then again, YouTube is more competitive compared to the Amazon alternative that I'm telling you. Now let's talk about promoting affiliate links through Instagram. One thing that I should mention is that every social media platform comes and goes. So Instagram might not be able to survive in a couple of years. Also, getting the followers in 2019 is extremely difficult compared to a couple of years back. Every social media platform is going towards the pay-to-play mode. Like the case of Facebook. Earlier, the organic reach was very high. So let's say if you have 10,000 page likes, if you post a new post, you were able to reach that 10,000 people. But now Facebook wants you to pay money in order to even reach the people who already like your page. Now the competition on Instagram is also growing because people know that there is money to be made. And also Instagram wants you to pay money to get those followers. So the organic growth is down. And the worst part about Instagram is that there is only one place where you can add the affiliate link, that is the bio. So the number of clicks on affiliate links will be far less, and hence the overall commission that you make in a month will be much lower. And this is why I don't recommend Instagram as the only source of promoting your affiliate links. The same goes for a Facebook page or a group. The organic reach is dead, so you won't be able to promote your affiliate links in a profitable manner. So I won't recommend going into either Instagram or YouTube or Facebook page or a group. Rather, the smart strategy is to go into a low competition area and dominate it before it gets too competitive. Also, once your affiliate site starts getting traffic, you can move into these verticals, either YouTube channel or Instagram account. Trust me, I'm doing this for almost 7 years. I have tried and tested everything. The best strategy is to first start a website, scale it, and then move into the various verticals of YouTube and Instagram. This has given me the best results. So what is the process of making money from affiliate marketing through a website? Everything is explained in detail in our affiliate marketing course playlist, but right now I'll be giving you a general overview of how all this works. The process will be something like this. The first step is to do niche research. I will help you find a low competition and profitable money-making niche. Then in the next lesson, I'll share with you how to start a pro affiliate website. I'll be sharing with you my tips, tricks and strategies that I've learned in last 7 years of doing affiliate marketing. Also, I'll be telling you the mandatory things that you need to follow so that your account doesn't get banned. The third step is keyword research. I'll share with you the exact strategy that I use to find low competition keywords that make you money not in years but in months. The fourth step is to write articles. Either you can write it yourself, but I'll also tell you how you can outsource it to someone else. I have spent thousands of dollars in knowing the best article structure, how many words your article should have, what should be the button color. I have tested everything and I'll be sharing you that perfect article template with you in one of the lessons. The next step will be signing up to the Amazon Associate account, how to sign up, how to get approved, and how to not get banned. The next lesson will cover the most important detail, how to get your article ranked number 1 on Google search results. So let's say your website is about guitar and you write an article like best guitars in India. So I'll share with you all the strategies that I use to rank number 1 for my target keyword. And the last step is for you to send me a thank you email for introducing you to affiliate marketing. I would love to see some success stories. If I like your site, I might even collaborate with you for other projects. So now let's talk about money. How much money can you make? Now this depends entirely on you. How much time you are willing to invest on your website. The more time you invest, the more money you will be making. If you follow our complete playlist, then I can tell you for sure that you will be making money in few months. In the beginning, it might look a little complicated because you are new at this, but within few days of implementing, you'll become a pro. Once you scale a website, then you'll already know all the secrets. Then you can create many more websites, build a team, and scale even further. Like I started as one-man army, but today I have 9 full-time people working on my affiliate websites. You're planting a tree. Once it's grown up, all you have to do is spend few hours on your website, and it will keep giving you fruits for many years to come. Now let's talk about common affiliate marketing mistakes. New affiliate marketers make these following common mistakes. Even I made them when I got started. The first mistake is not showing patience. You won't start making money on day 1. Rather, slowly and steadily, you will be scaling. The second mistake is not implementing. Majority of you will be just watching the lessons, but very few of you will be actually implementing. But the people who implement will be getting the best results. So make sure you don't just watch the lessons, but also implement everything I tell you. And not just implementing, you'll be getting a lot of questions in your mind. So don't just implement, but also ask your questions in the Facebook group, or you can also ask them in a YouTube live session. And I'll try my best to answer all of you guys. The third mistake is getting greedy. Now, few of you might watch our complete free affiliate marketing course playlist and they start implementing everything on multiple websites. If you're a beginner or you're just starting out, and even if you're an experienced affiliate, I will recommend you to open only one single website and try to focus entirely on that. Your goal should be able to first create a website and scale it, learn all the advanced strategies, then build a team, and then open multiple websites. You don't have to work hard, you have to work smartly. I have already made the mistakes, so you don't have to make the same mistakes again, rather follow the working strategies that actually work. One big advice that I can give to all of you is that practical is what matters the most. Don't just watch the videos, but also implement everything that I tell you in this free affiliate marketing mastery course. This is the right thing for you guys. Don't be confused. I'm here for you. I'm so happy to have a new member who will be our future success story. I'll make sure that this journey of helping you making money from affiliate marketing is fun, exciting, and as easy as possible. So what are your next steps? Click here to watch the next lesson of our free affiliate marketing mastery course, and click here if you want to watch all the videos of our complete free affiliate marketing mastery course where I show you on how to scale an Amazon affiliate website from $0 to $1,000 per month.